Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome to yet another weekend vlog. Today, let's talk about how to start a YouTube channel with only a smartphone. Nothing else, just your smartphone. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first up, let's talk about the most important thing that you will require before you start your own channel. And that is an idea, a story, or something that you want to show people. So if there is a story or if there is an idea in your mind, then yeah, you can convert it into your own YouTube channel. So idea is the most important thing, not the gear. Okay, so let's say you have your idea and you have a smartphone. How do you combine these together to make a video and start your own YouTube channel? That's a very good question. It involves two parts. One is shooting and the other one is editing. Both are equally important. You cannot skip any part. So you have to make sure that the videos are edited properly so that it looks polished, and on the other hand you have to make sure that you get the perfect shot. It may take some tries to get the perfect shot, but yeah, you should make sure that you get as much possible in the shooting part itself. On your smartphone you have two options. One is the front camera and the other one is the rear camera. Now generally the rear camera is better in terms of quality, but you can shoot with the front camera as well. Like right now I'm shooting with the front camera of my iPhone 7. So it's completely upon you. However you want to shoot, you can do that. I'm using the front camera right now because I like to see myself while I'm shooting. I like to see the frame, the lighting, etc, etc. That's why I use the front camera while I'm vlogging. But for other shots, I use the rear camera because it is better in terms of quality, dynamic range and all those awesome things. Now the second part that comes is editing. So what about editing? How do you edit your videos when you have only a smartphone? Well, nowadays smartphones are so powerful that they are enough to edit your videos. There are some awesome softwares which are free and are available to everyone. So if you are an iOS user, then you are in luck because iMovie is available for free and it is an awesome software. In fact, I started my YouTube channel by using iMovie on a MacBook, but iMovie on an iPhone as well is very good. So on iOS, go for iMovie, start messing around with it, and yeah, you will learn iMovie within no time. On the other hand, if you are on Android, I'll drop a few links to some apps in the description box below. You can go ahead and check them out. They are free of cost. You can go ahead and download them right away. Start messing around with them. Start messing around with various editing features and you will get better. Fun fact, I am shooting this entire vlog on my iPhone 7 and I will edit the vlog on my iPhone 7 as well. So right from shooting to editing, everything is being done on my smartphone so that I can show you guys that it is possible and you can do it. Like if you have a smartphone, you can start a YouTube channel. One good practice while you're shooting your videos is including B-rolls. So the B-rolls could be a time lapse, a slow motion, a dolly shot or a pan shot, whatever it may be. Including B-rolls in your video is a good practice because it makes your video look more polished and it makes your video look a lot better. Also, try to include as many people as you can in your videos, like your friends, family, whoever are ready to be in your video, include them. Like my friend over here, Ankita, say hi.
Hi.
And Aniket, say hi.
Hi.
One more thing that will help your videos look even better is including background music. So if the vibe of the music matches the vibe of your video, then your videos will go to the next level. It will look really awesome and it adds an extra depth and extra dimension to your videos. So always remember, do use background music. Okay, last but not the least, let's talk about accessories. So you should use accessories with your smartphone like tripods, monopods, gimbals. Now I know gimbals are really expensive, but if you are on a budget and you want to make your videos more stable, then you should use a tripod. There are some awesome tripods available for your smartphone under 500 bucks. So I'll make sure to drop some links in the description box below. You can also use some other accessories for your smartphones and make your videos look better. So use accessories, make your videos look better, and have a great time. To sum it all up, these are the things that you should remember before you start a YouTube channel. Number 1, gear does not matter. All that matters is your idea, the story that you want to tell people, and how you represent it. So just go with the best gear you have. You may have only a smartphone, go with that. Number 2 is shooting and editing. Both are equally important. Give importance to shooting as well as editing, and your videos will be awesome. Number 3 is the extra things that you have to do, like using accessories like a tripod, a gimbal, a monopod, etc. to make your videos more stable and to add some fun shots. And last but not the least, you should have fun while you're shooting, because this is the thing that you love. This is your passion and you should have fun. If you are not having fun, then there is seriously something wrong and you should figure it out. So have fun while shooting and don't worry about views and subscribers. One day or other you will get views, you will get subscribers. Just focus on your content and make your channel better. If you are a budding YouTuber or if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, then go ahead, make your videos and drop a link in the comment section down below. I would love to check out your channels. Anyway, that's been it. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel for awesome videos. You can follow me on my social media profiles to stay updated about my channel or to get in touch with me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.